Yo. Shit. We're back in the booth, man. We're gonna let it be down right
Be
there.
major, baby.
Yeah, nigga, the game ain't safe. Hell yeah, nigga run around every day. Trying to make some nigga out to nothing, man. Hey, the game so cold, game so dull. Trying to let the niggas know, nigga. Hey, you better find your own way, nigga. Before the streets, hey, eat you up, nigga. Yeah, nigga, beat you up, nigga. Streets don't really give a fuck about you, real nigga. Yeah, nigga, just chill, nigga. Trying to heal, nigga. Harder from the heel, nigga. Damn, nigga, what's the damn deal, nigga? Hey, I don't pop pill, nigga. Hey, just wanna do me. Hey, nigga, turn on the motherfucking TV and see me. Trying to make it to the T.O.P., nigga. Niggas hating on me, nigga, trying to stop me, nigga. Hey, nigga, keep watching me. Nigga, these hoes, they steady bopping me. Nigga, hey, nigga, what it be like? Yeah, nigga, you drop the C-track. Hey, nigga, pop like. Hey, throw up the beat pipes. Hey, nigga, Pyro. Nigga, what it do? Hey, nigga's true. Hey, nigga, all trees, no leaves. Hey, nigga, I'm standing 10 toes down on my knees, dog. Hey, gotta hold it down for that 2-0, dog. That's my town now, nigga, San Antonio. Yeah, nigga, back in the day, nigga, creep in your home, nigga. Hey, nigga, stay strong, nigga. Spray strong, nigga. Hey, 2-0, San Antonio. Hey, but I'ma gon' get back on it. Yeah, nigga, smash my opponent. Yeah, nigga, in the game. Yeah, nigga, in the turn lane. Coming straight off my damn brain, man. Tryna make it. Nigga tryna take it. But I ain't gonna let a nigga take it, man. Yeah, nigga tryna stay safe. Better get on motherfucking knees, better pray. Cause at the end of the days, nigga, you can't see it, man. Coming through, back in different seasons, man. I might make it snow, might make it rain, might cause it pain, man. But we do this shit, man. Stay on my damn lane. Hey, I'm mental in my motherfucking brain. Might just set it off, might just be the boss. Yeah, pay the cost, be the boss. Yeah, nigga, put that 4-5 in his mouth. Clack, clack, he off. No face, no case, nigga. Turn around, nigga, yeah. It turned into a cold case, nigga. Cause the game, nigga, doesn't fucking safe, nigga. Hey, nigga, no. I'm all up in that bitch, throw for show. We riding in that like that photo. Got your bitch on the side, yeah, we smoking that hydro. All the way from Cali, hey, shoot a 3 all the way from the alley. Bitch, can't please me. Hey, stop trying to watch me, trying to do me. Hey, it's like that shit wild, man. Set the tone, man. Third eye gang shit, man. Sticks to the bricks, man. All leaves, no trees. Salute, gang, red life.
You might be thinking, that looks like regular stuffed crust pizza. But you've never been more wrong in your cheese-loving life.
I like that blunt,
This ain't just stuffed crust. This is Papa John's crust. Stuffed.
Look at Snoop in the booth, man.
Expiration.
R.I.P. to my
It's in our
pops, man.
DNA.
Love you, Pop. We're gonna get them like this, though, for you. Hey. I gotta do it for you. Gotta do it for me. If I do it for you, I gotta tell the truth to the people, though. Trying to get even. All we trying to do is be a leader. Big red, that 2-liter. On that scene. Yeah, I mean, bro. On the scene, real tall, bro. Got that profile tuck, bro. Up under my nuts, I'm on my cup, bro. Yeah, gotta cover it up, bro. Keep it tucked, bro. Cause I ain't for show. It ain't for love, for protection. Yeah, nigga, I ain't tryna shoot you, just be trying to shoot you. Trying to take your life or what? You ain't did shit to me like that. Just trying to be me, nigga. JEFFERE. Just be free. You see me, nigga, on TV, nigga. Yeah, nigga. And the same. Yeah, nigga, in the turn like. Nigga gripping pain, causing pain. Yeah, nigga. Ain't the same. Better get your life right. How much money you made today? How many people you slaved today? How many people did you pay today? How many people did you wake up and say, God bless you? Did you wake up and say, God forgive me for my sins? Thank you for another day. No way. Hey, you ain't even say that. Yeah, nigga, you said so much. Guess what, nigga? That's why the game ain't right there. Nigga, baby, up and switch. You switch. Then you try to get all the other real niggas to switch up with you. You know what I'm saying? You handle with it by yourself, nigga. You started it, finish it. Because if I did it, guess what? I'ma finish it. But if I ain't did it, guess what? I ain't doing shit, nigga. I ain't with the nigga. I got some cousins that's Crip niggas. And they don't really give a shit, nigga. But guess what? It's okay. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Like this and like that, y'all. Hey. Change the game and change the life. I'm insane in my membrane. Yeah, nigga. I'm doing my thing. I got a Mexican baby mama and a white girl baby mama. That's right, nigga. I ain't racist, nigga. I love mom. But it's different what you prefer now. Yeah, nigga. I'm on this earth now. My little boy, bad in football. Yeah, nigga. I'm all in my shopping mall. Yeah, nigga. My nigga said they go. I'll lay him down. Put the apple in his mouth. Put his head in the UPS box. Ship it to his mom's house. When they open the box, his head is chopped up in pieces. Served in the pieces. But he said that they prayed. Guess what? You ain't seen crazy. Some crazy, seen crazy. Baby. Fuck. Gang. Yeah. Like that.
Hey, it's me, your dry skin. I'm craving something we're missing. The ceramides in CeraVe. They help restore my natural barrier so I can lock.
Yeah. This shit is crazy. This shit is crazy out here. This shit is crazy. It's crazy, man. This shit is crazy. We living in the street.
Put on the beat.
This shit is crazy, man. We living life. This shit is crazy, man. We living life. Bring it back. Catch the touchdown like Randy Moss and bring it back. Like this and like that. Strap. Hey, yeah, nigga, got the K on my back. Bring it back. Song. Creeping the chrome. You're gone. I'm the crazy in this crazy game. Nigga, the game ain't crazy. It's just you, man. It's all how you make your life. How you walk around. How you try to give somebody the right shit. But you really giving them wrong shit. You leaving them wrong with you. That's why they call you a prophecy. You know what a prophecy is? A prophecy is somebody that delivers the message that's not the truth. A prophet is somebody that delivers the message for Jesus. Who? Just like that. Hey, that was my homeboy telling you about something in the Bible. We're gonna go click back over to him right now. Let him. Hey, Bobby. What's up, bro? Shit, nothing. Hey, Jesus said, find your way before it's too late. Hey, my homeboy said it. He wrote it down on some papers and he mailed it. He made it to everybody. So you had to brand up in your body. Shot him 10 times in the back.
We don't
Hit him
want to
with a
be.
karate chop. His body stopped. Pull the pin. Body drop. I used to be on that block, selling rock for rock, running from the cops, and I ain't never gonna stop. Yeah, I had to eat. I had people feed. I was in them streets, real deep. But niggas can't feel me. Trying to live life, nigga. Life ain't right, nigga. And niggas trying to take you out, nigga. Hey, nigga ain't gonna take me. Cause God said he ain't fading me. No weapons shall prosper against me. Guess what, nigga? You see me on TV every day. I'm getting bigger. I'm getting mentally, physical, strong. Yeah, that creeping in. And lay you down. Put the dick up in the back now.
We don't want to be.
Bring that beat back like this. Yeah, nigga. Switch. Yeah, nigga. Stitch. Bitch. Nigga, the 3 motherfuckers. Shoot him in the head. Had to shoot the hole in the head. Can't shoot him in the body.
We don't want to be.
It's like some armor. Gotta shoot him point blank. One shot kill. What's the deal?